What if I told you there's a technology that can build almost anything you can think of, layer by layer from the ground up? Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's not. It's called 3D printing, and we're about to dive into this incredible world. This revolutionary technology is reshaping industries, turning digital dreams into tangible reality. From healthcare to aerospace, from art to manufacturing, it's transforming how we create and innovate. And today, we're here to explain just what 3D printing is and how it works. So, what exactly is 3D printing, you may ask? Well, 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a revolutionary process that brings digital designs into the tangible world. Imagine having a blueprint on your computer screen and then, like magic, seeing it materialize right before your eyes. This is done by adding material, layer by layer, to form a physical object. This process has brought a seismic shift in various industries. Intriguing, isn't it? But how does this process work? Let's delve deeper. 3D printing might sound complex, but it's surprisingly straightforward. At its core, 3D printing operates on the principle of layer-by-layer additive manufacturing. This means it creates objects by adding material in successive layers, forming a three-dimensional object. The materials used in 3D printing are diverse, ranging from plastics and metals to ceramics and even biomaterials. The process of 3D printing can be split into three main phases. First, there's the design phase. Here, a digital 3D model is created using computer-aided design software. Next, the printing phase takes this digital model and translates it into a physical object. The printer accomplishes this by depositing or fusing material layer by layer, following the instructions from the digital model. Lastly, there's the post-processing phase. This involves cleaning, sanding, or assembling the printed parts to achieve the final product. So, now that you know how it works, let's explore the different types of 3D printing technologies. 3D printing is not just a fancy gadget, it's a practical tool used in various industries. In the realm of industry and manufacturing, 3D printing revolutionizes prototyping and product development, allowing for speedy and cost-effective custom production. In healthcare, it's a game changer, creating intricate medical implants, prosthetics, and even paving the way for bioprinting and tissue engineering. The aerospace and automotive sectors harness 3D printing for lightweight, high-strength components and streamlined prototyping. The artistic world isn't left out either, with 3D printing creating intricate sculptures, architectural models, and design pieces. And let's not forget consumer goods, where customized fashion, accessories, home decor, and DIY projects are all within reach thanks to 3D printing. The possibilities are endless with 3D printing. However, it's not all rosy. There are challenges and limitations too. While 3D printing is revolutionary, it's not without its pitfalls. The process is bound by material limitations, as not all substances can be 3D printed. Speed and scalability pose another set of challenges, as mass production is often more time-efficient using traditional methods. Intellectual property concerns are also at the forefront, as designs can be easily copied and reproduced. Quality control can be tricky, especially when post-processing is required. Despite these challenges, the future of 3D printing looks promising. From bringing ideas to life to transforming industries, 3D printing is truly a game changer. We've journeyed through its workings, technologies, applications, and challenges. This revolutionary process, with its potential to reshape manufacturing, healthcare, and even art, is undeniably pivotal in today's world. So, delve deeper, explore its endless possibilities, and who knows, you might just print your own path in this exciting realm. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of technology. Thanks for watching.